Hello viewers, this is Kalmax once again, and today I'm going to review that bicycle you see there, the road bike called Giant. It belongs to my brother, so I'm going to ride it around, then I'll do the full review about it. So watch, enjoy, and subscribe. So like I said before, the bicycle belongs to my brother. He bought it like 4 years ago. And the brand name of the bicycle is called Giant Defy. The frame size is medium and the bicycle is made of aluminum. So when he bought it with the other wheels. So he upgraded the wheels from Giant wheels to fulcrum. So the bicycle has got fulcrum now. It used to have Giant wheels. The tires are Continental 23C 700, 23C Continental tires. Wheels fulcrum, made by fulcrum. Very nice wheels. Tires gutter skin Continental 23C. The Holotech is called Shimano Sora Holotech. He uses this bicycle to go to work almost every day. So the bicycle is very dirty, as you can see now. The seat post is made of carbon. This is a carbon seat post made by Giant. The saddle is made by Specialized. And the frame of the bicycle is made of light aluminum. stem, giant. It has got light and a speedometer. This bicycle has got 9-speed gear system, 9-speed gear system, but he wants to upgrade it to 11-speed gear system. He's planning to buy 105 components for the gear system, 105 components. So the shifters are made by Shimano Sora. Shimano Sora, the shifters. The fork is made of carbon. The fork of the bicycle is made of carbon. And the brake calipers made by Tektro. Such a nice bicycle. The crankset is size 50, not 52, 50. The crankset is size 50. Derailleur made by Sora. Interrupt. So it has got Holotech system. Buju, come, bring your bicycle. So this one was brought by a customer and it needs to be repaired. I need to install the front brake of the bicycle, and I also need to fix the puncture, and I need to install the back derailleur. I need to replace the back derailleur. The other one I'm done with. I was doing a lot of work on this bicycle too, and now it works good. The owner is about to come and collect. It rides smooth than it used to ride. So Buju, this is your bicycle?
My bicycle.
Okay, come and tell me about your bicycle, something about your bicycle.
This is my bicycle. It's a Apollo brand. It's a 700 bicycle.
Size 700.
It's
Okay.
700.
Tell me about the frame of the bicycle.
The frame of the bicycle is it's an aluminium.
Aluminium.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long have you had the bicycle?
Now it's almost 3 weeks.
Speak louder.
I have had the bicycle for now 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks.
Yes.
So what do you want me to do to the bicycle today?
So
what work do you want me to do?
Today I've come for some service. I want my bicycle to be painted.
To be painted. Where do you want me to paint?
On my...
Speak louder so that people can hear. hear you.
I want you to paint my steering, this one.
So this is what you want me to paint?
Yes, these ones.
So we'll have to sand it down before we do the painting.
Yes.
Okay. The handlebar?
The handlebar, and also these screws.
You want me to paint the screws too?
Yes.
Okay. What else do you want me to do?
My chair. My chair needs to be adjusted. It is slightly bent.
Okay.
And, I now know that you should have a 90-degree angle chair.
Okay. So what do you like most about your bicycle?
Compared to the one I was using back then, it was a Peugeot, it was a steel. This is an aluminium. It's comfortable fast. It's much lighter.
Okay. So let me show them the bicycle in full details. So that's the saddle, a nice saddle. Is the saddle comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Very comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Or you only need me to adjust to your preferred position?
Yes.
Okay. So the brand name of the bicycle is called Apollo Highway. Apollo Highway, made of aluminium. It has got cassette or block. So it has got block, and it has got 6-speed block.
6-speed.
So 6-speed. The crank is size 48.
I think so.
Shimano equipped. So this is a XUK bicycle.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. So I need to paint the handlebar to make it look nice. The tires are still in great condition.
Still in a good condition.
It has got V-brake system made by Tektro. Adjustable stem. You want me to adjust the stem as well?
Yes, it also needs to be adjusted.
Lowered?
It needs to be lowered because it's high.
Okay, too high.
It's too high.
So Buju, how long have you known me?
Now it's almost 5 years now. Yes.
And we have done a lot of work together.
True, we have done a lot of work together.
Tell them what you've been doing here.
I've always helped you to wash the bicycles, and I've helped you to do 1-2 in the office.
And we have done some riding.
And we've done some riding
during COVID.
During COVID to Morolo, we passed Morolongo until we went to Signature Mall.
Yeah. So do you plan to do some riding like we used to do?
Of course.
Now that you have a new bicycle?
Of course, I plan to go very far.
Yeah. So one thing I would advise you to do is to buy a helmet. Yeah, for safety.
True.
Helmet and some lights for the bicycle. And maybe some bicycle jerseys.
True, indeed. I need one because riding with normal clothes is not that comfortable when you're going for long distances.
Yeah. And the other thing you should do to upgrade your bicycle, you should buy a bottle cage. And what bottle cage for the trip, for the long trip.
Pump.
And you need a pump, a mini pump. But first you should start with a bottle cage and a bottle. And the other thing you should get for your bicycle, what do you plan to upgrade?
Okay, I plan to remove that block here. That one.
Or you want to put a cassette? Remove the block and put a cassette.
Yes.
Okay. And what else?
Also, I want to add some lights over there
Uh-huh.
for dealing at night.
Yeah.
Also, my pedals, I need to remove.
Speak a bit louder.
I also need to remove these pedals.
Yeah.
And keep other ones.
You want to remove the pedals?
Yes.
Those ones?
Yes, I want to.
You want to replace them with which ones? Metal one? Or
Yes, the metal one.
okay.
Ones which have grip.
Okay. Okay. Not the one with the locking system,
Yes.
like these ones.
No, if I want to, once with the locking system, I will also have to have the shoes for.
But you can buy the shoes. You can save and buy the shoes.
How much does the shoes go?
The shoes is, I think, 3,500 Kenya shillings. And the pedal around the same price. So you need around 7,000.
Okay.
Yeah,
I get.
yeah. But that is not a priority.
Yes, true.
The helmet is the priority.
Priority.
Yeah. So you shouldn't worry much about the pedals. Worry about the helmet and some reflectors or lights. So should we start doing the work that you came for?
Yes, we should start doing the work that I came for.
Okay, bye for now. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Thanks for watching.